Climate change has far-reaching impacts on the state of Delaware, and one of the greatest impacts we face is rising sea levels. Delaware has the lowest average elevation of any state and has already experienced over a foot of sea level rise at the Lewis tide gauge since 1900. By 2050, sea levels will rise an additional 1 to 2 feet, and by 2100, up to 5 feet. Sea level rise is occurring in Delaware because of subsidence and climate change. Subsidence is the sinking of the land and has occurred since the end of the last ice age, when the large glaciers retreated to the poles. As the global average temperature increases, oceans become warmer, causing them to expand. Additionally, as land ice melts, more water is added to the oceans, increasing their overall volume. While at first glance it may seem that sea level rise will only affect coastal communities, in reality, the impacts are much farther reaching. From transportation infrastructure to the economy, all sectors will experience the effects of sea level rise. Most of the water used for drinking and irrigation below the canal comes from groundwater supplies. As sea levels rise, groundwater may experience saltwater intrusion, making it unusable for consumption and for use on farm fields. However, some of the greatest impacts will be on our wastewater and transportation infrastructure. By necessity, most wastewater treatment facilities are located along waterways that will experience higher water levels, leading to flooding. Raw sewage could be released if these facilities flood. With higher water levels in the rivers, storm sewers may back up, causing overflows throughout the system. Roads and bridges will be affected throughout the state, with up to 5% of all roadways becoming inundated. Roadways in Sussex County and along the Route 9 corridor are expected to experience the highest impacts. Damage and loss of roadways will shape both the safety of our citizens and the economy. The challenges of sea level rise may sound daunting, but if we work together now to adapt, we can ensure a safe, livable, and economically vibrant state. Join us throughout the Climate Action Plan process in 2020 to make your voice heard and help strengthen the state's response to sea level rise.